Welcome to my channel. Why is my scanner not detected? Easy troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check the scanner's power. Make sure your scanner is turned on. Verify that the power cable is securely connected and that the power light is illuminated. Step 2. Inspect the USB or network connection. If you're using a USB scanner, disconnect and reconnect the cable. For wireless scanners, ensure the scanner is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Restart the scanner. Turn off the scanner, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary errors. Step 4. Restart your computer. Reboot your computer to refresh system connections and allow it to detect the scanner again. Step 5. Try a different USB port. If the scanner uses a USB connection, plug it into a different USB port to rule out a faulty port. Step 6. Check if the scanner appears in Device Manager. Open Device Manager and look for your scanner under Imaging Devices or Printers. Check for any warning symbols. Step 7. Update the scanner driver. Visit the scanner manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your scanner model. Step 8. Run the built-in troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings, go to Troubleshoot, and run the printer or hardware troubleshooter to identify common issues. Step 9. Reinstall scanner software. Uninstall the scanner software from your computer, restart the system, and install the latest version again. Step 10. Test the scanner. Open a scanning application and perform a test scan. If the scanner is still not detected, try connecting it to another computer to determine whether the issue is hardware related. Thanks for watching.